If you eat watermelon every day, what happens to the body? First, say goodbye to thirst. Watermelon contains 90% water. Eating a slice of watermelon is equivalent to drinking delicious cool water. Also, if you want to lose weight, watermelon is the best choice. Due to its rich fiber content, it is able to make you feel full without a heavy stomach. This is ideal when you feel hungry all day long. It's low in calories and high in nutrients, including vitamin C and potassium. Watermelon can boost the immune system and repair the skin through its nutrients. But that's not all. If you need to relax after a stressful day, watermelon can also help. It contains magnesium, an important mineral that helps calm nerves, relieve headaches, and help you sleep better at night. Watermelon is also a significant muscle enhancer and contains limonene, an amino acid that helps enhance physical performance and improve vascular health. Follow me to learn more. If you eat garlic every day, what happens to your body? You will get anti-aging effects. Garlic is rich in antioxidants that can protect the skin from premature aging and help prevent wrinkles. Garlic can also reduce bilge gas, although it is generally believed that eating garlic can cause bilge gas. In fact, regular consumption of garlic may help reduce intestinal gas with its digestive characteristics. Garlic also helps to unclog the arteries, which can lower cholesterol and improve blood circulation, which is good for heart and artery health. You'll get stronger. In ancient Greece, Olympic athletes ate garlic to improve athletic performance and endurance. Your chances of getting sick will be reduced, and garlic is known for its antibacterial and antiviral properties, which can boost the immune system and protect you from certain infections and diseases. Garlic also cleanses the intestines, helps eliminate toxins, and maintains the optimal balance of the digestive system. Subscribe for more health tips. If you drink coffee every morning, here's what will happen to your body. You will get anti-aging effects. Coffee has become a star ingredient in many beauty products. Caffeine promotes blood circulation, can prevent the appearance of wrinkles and spots. In addition, coffee drinkers are happier, with research from the National Institutes of Health showing that drinking coffee can reduce the risk of depression or negative emotions by 10%. It can also relieve pain. If you have a headache, coffee can help. Caffeine, as a mild analgesic, can relieve headaches and migraines. People who drink at least 1 cup of coffee a day have a lower risk of certain types of cancer, particularly liver cancer, and the caffeine and antioxidants in coffee play a protective role in preventing these diseases. Finally, you'll improve memory, and according to multiple studies, caffeine can stimulate brain functions such as short-term memory and attention. Subscribe for more health tips.